Hey there, I'm Frank, and I'm the founder of Cava Companies. Today, we're going to talk about the people that make this company tick. But instead of hearing it from me, let's hear it from them.
I stay at Cava Companies because I love it. It's not work for me. It's just a great fun environment, and I would be lost if I didn't have to come to work with Cava Capital, believe it or not.
Having knowledgeable people around you allows you to be able to do your job and allows you to feel comfortable depending on that person. So it's just like if I was in the military still, I know that that guy has my 6. When you're at Cava Company, you feel like that guy has your 6 when you're here.
I think the benefit packages at Cava are probably one of the best I've seen. We're a rather small to medium-sized company, and we're able to give what large companies offer. So whether it's medical, 401k, long-term disability, things like that, they have each package at a competitive price that you would get anywhere else.
If what you just heard sounds like the kind of place where you would like to work and build a career, then please click on this page for more information about our company and on how to apply. And speaking for myself and everyone who works at the company, we look forward to meeting with you real soon.